the continent which is the star of every developed nation as of now is the African continent, be it US, China, Russia, and now even India. Every country who is doing well on the global stage has interest in Africa because of many reasons. Africa is very rich when it comes to natural resources, and as of now, every developed country or every global superpower is interested into Africa and is increasing its interest and is increasing its engagement with the African continent on regular basis. So in recent times, we see that the US and China are making very heavy investments in Africa, and seeing the increasing interest of China in the African continent, it becomes important for India's respect also to increase its interest and its engagement, and with time India also needs to increase its day-to-day activities with the African continent, and one of the biggest step has been taken by the Indian Navy in this regard. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the topic of the maiden Indian African exercise AKIMI. So for the very first time, India and African continent, the naval exercise will be going to take place, and the name of the naval exercise is the AKIMI. And whenever anything happens for the first time or the maiden time, it becomes all the more important and special. Very, very important topic from UPSC prelims respect, can be asked directly into the prelims examination. The points of discussion is about the news, then about the India-Africa Key Maritime Engagement Exercise, what are the key features of it, then IOS Sagar, that is the Indian Ocean Ship Initiative, and the ship which is involved in this, that is INS Sunanya. And in the end, the prelims MCQ topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is International Relations. News talk about India Navy announces maiden India-Africa exercise, Indian Ocean Ship Sagar. So one respect is the Indian African exercise in this news, and the other respect is the Indian Ocean Ship, that is IOS Sagar. These two are different things. So the news talks about that the Indian Navy will participate in the maiden multilateral maritime exercise titled Africa India Key Maritime Engagement, and the acronym is the AKIMI. Now the point that you need to focus on is that it is Indian Navy exercise. So Army and Air Force is not involved, it is Indian Navy exercise. Second is that it is the maiden exercise. Maiden exercise means that this is the first exercise of this respect. Then it is multilateral maritime exercise. Now multilateral maritime exercise means that it is not taking place between one country or two countries or three countries. There are more than 3 or there are more than 5 countries who are taking part in this, and that is why it is a multilateral exercise, and the name is Africa India Key Maritime Engagement. It means that on one side is India while on the other side it's Africa, not a single country name, the complete Africa name is put. It means that many countries within Africa is taking part in this. Then it is co-hosted with Tanzania, and the date is April 2025. So it is co-hosted by, on one hand it is India, on the other hand from Africa it is Tanzania, and it is taking place in the year 2025 in the month of April. Then it will enhance maritime security and cooperation with African nations. So if we talk about India and the Africa, then the Indian Ocean region becomes very, very important, and the Indian Ocean region, so with India and Africa having this exercise, the main aim will be to increase security. So to increase the maritime security between India and the Africa, and also the cooperation. Cooperation means that there is a lot of trade which takes place between India and Africa, and then the Indian Ocean region becomes all the more important, because one of the aspects and one of the key aspects which the Indian Ocean region is suffering is the problem of piracy, and be it in the region of Madagascar region, Kenya region, so the pirates is a very big problem. So that is why the security aspects also becomes very, very important. Then India is set to strengthen its military and maritime ties with African nations through IOS Sagar, that is the Indian Ocean Ship Sagar. So there is one more initiative apart from the naval exercise, and that is deployment of the Indian Ocean ship Sagar, and the name of the ship is INS Sunanya. So the name of the ship becomes important, that INS Sunanya will be deployed, and the deployment or the patrolling of the Indian Ocean region will be done. So this will also increase the surveillance and the security aspect in the Indian Ocean region between India and Africa. Now, Africa-India Key Maritime Engagement, that is AKME. So, what is this exercise? So, what is this exercise is that it is a large-scale multilateral maritime exercise, and the aim is to enhance naval cooperation and interoperability between India and African nation. Cooperation between the African nations and India, and interoperability. It means the sharing of information will also be done between the two nations. Then host nations is India and Tanzania. Tanzania is co-hosting, taking place in the month of April 2025. Then it is established, the first edition will take place in April 2025 in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So Dar es Salaam is a port in Tanzania and also a city in Tanzania. Then the nations who are participating apart from India. So the African nations who are participating in this exercise is Comoros, Djibouti, Eritrea, Kenya, Madagascar, Mauritius, Mozambique, Seychelles, South Africa, India and Tanzania. So these are basically, you can say, the Indian Ocean countries. So let us see these countries on the map also. Look at this map. So the countries are Comoros, Djibouti, Eritrea. So first of all, this is Comoros, this is Djibouti, this is Eritrea, then comes Kenya, Madagascar, Mauritius. Kenya, Madagascar, Mauritius, this is Kenya. Now coming to Madagascar, this is Mauritius. Then comes next, that is Mozambique, Seychelles and South Africa. So this is South Africa, this is Seychelles and this is Mozambique. Coming to next is India and Tanzania. Now coming to Tanzania, this is Tanzania. And if we will look at the map of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, let me show you another map where we can find the Dar es Salaam. Okay. Now look at this map. This is the map of Tanzania. And very clearly we can see this is the Dar es Salaam, one of the biggest cities of Tanzania, and also you can say it is the trading capital or the financial capital of the Tanzania. Then it lies, you can say it is almost at the coast of Tanzania. Now coming back to the point where we left the discussion. So yes, the participating countries. So we have seen what is it, host nation, establishment and the participating countries. Coming on to next, now what are the aims of AKME exercise? So the aim is to strengthen maritime security in the Indian Ocean region and among the countries of the Indian Ocean region, building cooperation with them, multilateralism and also interoperability. Then to improve coordination in tackling piracy, illegal trafficking and unregulated fishing. So that now that the Indian Ocean region is so vast and the fishing which takes place in the Indian Ocean, so also to deal with the illegal fishing aspect and then the problem of pirates along the coast of Kenya or Madagascar and then illegal trafficking. Now whenever the maritime routes are taking into consideration or the big oceans are taking into consideration, then illegal trafficking becomes one of the major aspects, and dealing with illegal trafficking in itself is a very difficult thing. Then to enhance information sharing and surveillance between navies, and that is why interoperability is one of the major aspects or aims of the AKME. Now, what are the key features of it? So, first and foremost is the harbor phase activities. So, that is tabletop exercise on piracy, response and information sharing, and then training sessions will be done for the people who will be working in this. Then comes the sea phase operation. So, search and rescue drills, small arms firing, helicopter operations. So differently the exercises will be done so that the guidance and the training can be provided in the right aspect. Then comes alignment with Sagar and Mahasagar. So this will support India's Sagar vision and initiative which was announced by PM Modi in the year 2025. That is the Mahasagar initiative. So basically having the security aspect and the cooperation in the Indian Ocean region. Then deployment of INS Sunena, that is IOS Sagar Initiative. So month-long joint surveillance and port calls in Tanzania, Mozambique, Mauritius, Seychelles and Maldives. So that is INS Sunena. Now coming to IOS Sagar, that is Indian Ocean Ship Initiative with regards to INS Sunena. So the IOS Sagar Initiative focuses on deepening India's maritime cooperation with IOR countries, that is the Indian Ocean region countries. So let me show you the map of, okay, look at this map. This is the Indian Ocean countries. So you can say Australia, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Comoros, Seychelles, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, Mauritius, Tanzania, Kenya, Oman, Yemen, UAE, Iran. So these are the countries which are part of the Indian Ocean region and having cooperation within these countries. It involves the deployment of the Indian Navy's INS Sunena, which will be manned by a combined crew of Indian sailors and 44 personnel from 9 African countries. So it is not that on INS Sunena only the Indian sailors will be placed. No, apart from the Indian sailors, other African personnels from different countries will also be deployed. Then the initiative will take place from April 5 to May 8, 2025. Then key participating countries in this is Sri Lanka, Maldives, Mauritius, Comoros, Kenya, Madagascar, Mozambique, Seychelles and South Africa. So basically what you have to remember from this is that it is about cooperation, it is about surveillance and it is about interoperability and multilateralism in the Indian Ocean region. Now if we talk about the activities, so that will be the ship will undertake port calls at Dar es Salaam and other different ports in different countries. Then the ship will also engage in joint surveillance of the exclusive economic zones of the different countries like Tanzania, Mozambique or Mauritius, basically the countries of the Indian Ocean region. Then the personnel will undergo training at different places, so that whatever role they are given, they can perform that role well and they have the expertise in whatever they are doing. And now in the end, the prelims MCQ, and like always, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question is, with India, the Africa-India Key Maritime Engagement Exercise is co-hosted by, so that is Tanzania, Kenya, South Africa or Madagascar. We have discussed this in the video, so give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.